What's up, YouTube? Right behind me, I have the brand new 2024 Sunset Park Sunlite 16BH. This thing has the double awnings on it. It has the cabinet that pops down into a bunk. And this is definitely one of my favorite floor plans. It's only 16.5 feet long total. It's only 9 foot, 11 inches in height and 26.50 for weight. So let's check this awesome lightweight camper out. Let me know what you think. Okay, let's go over the specs on this camper as we do a quick pan around of it. The total dry weight on this camper is 2650. The hitch weight is 150 pounds. Cargo carrying capacity, 960 pounds. The length is 16.5 feet long. Height including air conditioner is 9 foot 11 inches. 6.5 foot inside interior height, 7.5 foot exterior width. The freshwater capacity is 26 gallons. The gray water is 28 gallons. And the black water is 28 gallons. This is the smallest of their standard Sunlite line, the 16BH. This one comes with a double awning and that flip down bunk cabinet. Comes with a nice big residential fridge and that dry bath. Now let's walk around and point out all the features. Alright, starting right over here on the side, we have our furnace exhaust, our outside propane connection, 120 watt power, nice big window, and the electric awning with an LED light strip underneath. Now we're going down to the pass-through storage up front with storage doors on both sides. 4 stabilizer jacks all the way around on each corner. 4 marker lights on each corner. Comes with 2 20-pound propane tanks. This one has the electric tongue jack with the Elite package. It comes with a 2-inch ball on the front for the coupler with a 7-pin round wiring and an electric brake. This one has a battery disconnect switch, as all the Sunset Parks do. Over here on the side is our water connections with our city water fill and our freshwater fill for off-grid or boondocking. Fill up the tank and use a water pump to get the pressure. Here's our baggage door holder, which holds up the other side of the pass-through storage door. Over here we'll see easy access to our water pump and our water tank. That is our little access door from the inside underneath the bed. This does have the black tank flush on it. And this is our 6-gallon water heater. This is just a gas or propane water heater. We have the nice off-road tire package on here. Outside shower with hot and cold water. Spray off yourself, spray off your dog, spray off your kids, spray off your clothes. Over next to that's our black tank flush. Right here is our coaxial cable for cable and satellite. Our hood vent to exhaust the fumes on the inside when we're cooking with our stove. Make sure you open that vent so you're not suffocating all the stuff inside. Right there's our ladder bracket with our lipper on-the-go ladder option. And there is our gutter system. Black tank flush again. That's just to flush your black tank in your toilet. Now we're going into our dump station. Gray is okay, black is for crap. Gray is okay, black is for crap. Gray's for your drains, black's for your toilet. Right there is your low point drains. On the back square bumper here, we can take that part off and use it for storage. Right here's our 30-amp power cord plug. On the back, we can see it comes with a full-size spare. And these awesome double awnings. I love the rear awning with the LED light underneath and that porch light. This is also wired for a backup camera inside the center brake light. As we're walking in, we'll see this comes with a screen door. A 2-step solid step for the entrance. Auto detect fuse box and breaker box converter. Right there is a heater blower. Now into our residential fridge. This is ran off battery, so it is a 12-volt fridge. Going into our cabinetry right above the dinette. Into our window, and then the dinette that does pop down into a bed, which I will show you at the end. So stick around to the end and watch how that turns into a bed. There's our full-size bed with our nightstand and our plugs. Here's our wardrobe with our closet. Nice shelf over top that flips up into a bunk. There's our full-size bed down below. And here's our bunk. It holds up to 150 pounds on the brackets outside portion. When you're not using it for a bunk, or if you don't have those kids, you can flip that right up, latch it and lock it, and then use it for a couple cabinets. I love the versatility of it, and then if I'm selling it, the resale value is even better, having extra sleeping. Storage access to your front pass-through storage. Right there is water heater access. This oven comes with the Elite package. 3-burner stove up top with the stove cover. Nice big sink with the sink cover. The covers are coming so you can use them for ample amounts of room when prepping or not cooking. Down below the sink we have a couple shelves. Alright, now we're going into the drawer and a little spice rack above that. Right here's a microwave. 12-volt plug right there with the USBs, and our cabinetry above the sink. We do have an air conditioner, 13.5 air conditioner in here. Right there is our air conditioning and our refrigerator switch. So if we want to turn the fridge on and off, we can. Here's our master control panel and our solar controller. Control panel giving us all of our lights, our awning switches, water heater, water pump, water levels, and battery level. Apparently I need to charge my jump pack. Up above is going to be our backer location for our TV and the TV plugs. Into our bathroom, standard looking bathroom, toilet on the rise with a shower. Now we have a cabinet in here with a medicine cabinet, a fan, a shower, and a skylight above. The Sport package adds 6-inch height and 60 pounds to the dry weight. Alright, now I just want to show you how to turn this dinette into a bed real quick, and then back into a dinette table. First, we're just going to take off the tabletop. Then take out the table legs. Store these wherever you want. Then what we're going to do is take the tabletop and put it in these wood supports right here. Then we're taking the backing cushions and using those for the rest of the bed. And as always, I am 6'2", and I can sleep in here exactly flat-footed. So this is exactly 6'2" for a bed. Unless I'm shrinking. All right, now let's turn this baby back into a table. Take the back cushions, tuck them right in. Take out this tabletop. Nicely set it somewhere where it won't get damaged. Grab the table legs. Tabletop. And we've got our dinette. Our dinette. Darn it, we've got the dinette. Awesome. You made it to the end of the video, and I couldn't be happier about it. If you like these videos, do me a huge favor and come subscribe. Like 95% of you guys that watch all these aren't subscribed, and it really helps the channel. It supports us, and it keeps me coming back every week. So, again, thank you for watching. I greatly appreciate you all. See you next week.